proceeding marks the official imposition of academic hoods, class medallions, and caps, signifying the candidates' readiness for the conferral of their respective degrees. Let us all stand for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. You may now take your seats. We shall now proceed to the investiture ceremony, the imposition of academic hoods, class medallions, and caps upon the candidates for graduation from the graduate studies.
Candidates for graduation, class of 2026, graduate studies. Doctor of Philosophy, major in Educational Management. Angeles Melissa B. Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Challenges of Teachers and Learners in Alternative Learning System. Excellence in Oral Defense. Arroyo Joanne L. Minalabak, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Competency as a Catalyst for Inclusive Pedagogy, a robust linear analysis of differentiated instruction. Bagasala Marinel R. Nabua, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Multivariate Investigation of Leadership Styles and Institutional Well-Being Scores of Private High Schools. Excellence in Oral Defense. Bon Alia C. Bumbon, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Multi-level analysis of teachers' professional competence, instructional management proficiency, and academic performance. Elorde Cecil B. Sangay, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Awareness and Implementation of the YES-O program. Naparato, Joji L. Kararayan, Naga City. Dissertation, Reading Proficiency, Instructional Strategies and Challenges in Public Elementary Schools. Navarro, Jomar G. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Interplay of Self-Efficacy, Career Aspirations, and Work-Life Balance on Teacher Longevity in Public Schools. Excellence in Oral Defense. Orogo, Jocelyn N. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Dissertation, Influence of Perceived Teachers' Effectiveness on the Mathematical Achievement of Economically Diverse Students. Silerio Leve G. Pacol, Naga City. Dissertation, Leadership Styles and Communication Strategies of School Heads, its influence on the performance of teachers. Zarcauga Hazel E. Kararayan, Naga City. Dissertation, Instructional Competencies and Challenges Encountered by Teachers in Teaching English. Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision. Alabat Mary Jean R. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Flat-Based Intervention, Effects on the Literacy Competence of Grade 6 Learners. Almiden Maria Salve F. Pacol, Naga City. Thesis, Job Satisfaction and Performance of Teachers in Charge in Garchitorena District. Excellence in Oral Defense. Brazal, Aniel P. Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Learning Module, its effects to the learning competencies in edukasyon sa pagpapakatao 2. Crisolo Allen II M. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Working Condition and Satisfaction of Elementary School Teachers. Diodoro Michael de Jesus, Lupi, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Information and Communication Technology Teaching Skills of Teachers and Computer System Servicing Proficiency of Learners. Esperida Tony Rose O. Libmanan Camarines Sur. Capstone, Motivational Factors and Teaching Performance of Teachers. Francia JBB. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Disaster Risk Reduction Management of Schools in Lagunoy North District. Excellence in Oral Defense. Lita Irma C. Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Strategic Intervention Materials. Effects on the mathematics performance of grade 3 learners. Neric Grace Michelle B. Kamaligan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Study Habits and Academic Performance of grade 7 learners. Sola Emmeline A. Kararayan, Nagas City. Thesis, Grammatical Competence and Reading Comprehension of grade 6 learners. Solomon Janice T. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Resiliency and Leadership Competence of the School Heads. Basis for our Leadership Enhancement Program. Vergara JCE. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Lived experiences of teacher leaders in exhibiting leadership styles. Excellence in oral defense. Master of Arts in Education, major in Educational Management. Abelinde Catherine C. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, School Reading Intervention Program and Reading Ability of Learners. Adan Dana Joy R. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Challenges and Performance of School-Based Administrative Staff. Aldave Justin O. Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Strategic Intervention Materials. Effects on the academic performance of grade 4 learners. Alpe Marjorie S. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Community Support System on Disaster Preparedness and Resilience of Kanakman Central School. Barakiel Zyrene B. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, child protection policy awareness and behavioral management of learners, a basis for the development of infographic materials. Bombales, Mark Dennis O. Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Personal growth and professional development of teachers. Influence on conflict management in the workplace. Excellence in oral defense. Grace Joanne A. Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Work calendar strategy and reading skills of grade 1 learners. Burse Rhea T. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Educational management practices and participation of stakeholders. Bustamante Maylen G. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Reading comprehension and academic achievement of grade 5 learners. Excellence in oral defense. Cagitla Junior Mario P. Peña Francia, Naga City. Thesis: Strengthening academic information literacy module and information literacy of research students. Excellence in oral defense. Espeso Jesus San A. Peña Francia, Naga City. Thesis: Content knowledge and pedagogical skills of teachers. Its influence to the numeracy and literacy skills of pupils. Marceliano Francia B. Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Strategic intervention worksheets and mathematical proficiency of grade 1 learners. Mendoza Alessi Ava Marie P. Sipopot, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Contextualized English workbook and reading skills of grade 2 pupils. Napiri Lara May N. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Literacy practices of parents and academic performance of learners. Oliva Eunice V. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Motivation and satisfaction of volunteer teachers. Excellence in oral defense. Resare Regialine G. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Concept paper: Contextualized audiovisual learning materials. Effects on the reading literacy skills. Sumido Jessa B. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Challenges of Teachers and English Literacy of Grade 3 Learners. Tamon Russell D. Siruma, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Parental Involvement as Basis for Development of Parents-Teacher Association Manual. Tipay Ianfe S. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis: Digital Storytelling Tools. Effects on the listening comprehension skills of learners. Excellence in oral defense. Agno Maria Fe M. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Multisensory approach and problem-solving proficiency in business mathematics. Avila Bernadette M. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Classroom Management Practices of Teachers and Mathematics Performance of Learners. Diaz Angelica A. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Modules in Mathematics in the Modern World. Effects on the academic performance of the students. Dominguez Christian A. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: TikTok-based learning materials. Effects on the academic performance of the students. Clovel Jane A. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Factors affecting academic performance of students in contemporary mathematics. Garcia Jean L. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Abstract Puzzle Tangram. Effects on performance of students in integer operations. Olaguer Zande B. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Teaching proficiency of teachers and numeracy competence of learners. Ulit Okit Jonalyn N. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Thesis: Worksheets and integer competence of the learners. Romanilius Vernon B. San Felipe, Naga City. Thesis: structure of observed learning outcome-based assessment, and algebraic competence of learners, excellence in oral defense. Regosira Melanie C. Milaor, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Constructivist Teaching Approach and Academic Performance of Grade 7 Students. Master of Arts in Education, major in Physical Education. Abucar Mary Magdalene F. San Pascual, Masbate. Capstone, Instructional Activities and Level of Flexibility of Grade 7 Learners. Adano Dave M. Pacol, Naga City. Thesis, Movement Competency Training Performance and Challenges in Physical Activities of Students. Boribor, Edsel F. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Physical Education Activities and Character Development of Junior High School Students. Butor, Ramvin I. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Functional Effects of Reinforcement Practices on the Physical Activity Performance of High School Students. Coralde, Nomer V. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Dance Literacy, Physical Fitness, and Motor Skills Development. Godoy, Shenilyn B. Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Physical Activity Towards Health and Fitness, Awareness and Theoretical Competencies of Maritime Students. Medrano, John Rafael S. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Physical Activity Towards Health and Fitness, Competence, and Mental Health of Students. Milante, Josephine A. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Application of Teaching Practices and Interaction Strategies of Path-Fit Instructors and Student Engagement. Peladra, Rachel G. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Capsule, Classroom Practices and Stress Reduction Efficiency of Grade 7 Learners. Sarcilia Julie B. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Physical Activity Towards Health and Fitness, and Dimension of Well-Being of Students. Master of Arts in Education, major in Science Education. Blaza Noel Jr. R. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Dom Kane, Dieffenbachia Seguin, et Madre de Cacao, Glyceridia cipium leaves extract as mosquito larvicide. Nosil Jenny A. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, fermented malunggay, moringa oleifera, and lemongrass Quimbophogon citratus as organic foliar fertilizer. Master of Arts in Education, major in Home Economics. Bosito Jennifer S. Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, acceptability of mantis shrimp is tomato pots as seasoning cube. Latagan Maricar A. Santa Cruz, Naga City. Thesis, socio-economic acceptability of pili, Canarium ovatum pulp flour for crinkle cookies. Sergio Diana G. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Malabar spinach, Basla alba as ingredient for chips. Master of Arts in Education, major in English. Behino Maria Elena A. Canacman, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Grace Workbook, its effect on the grammatical competence and reading comprehension of grade 7 learners. Excellence in oral defense. Benaed Mona Lisa C. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Oral English communication skills and academic performance of students. Bercasio Lourdes Ann R. Magarao, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Enhanced Project Cradle and reading comprehension of students. Cedilia Josephine M. Lupi, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Instructional Module on Rawit-Dawit and Sipon, effects on the English proficiency of students. Cornell Raquel B. Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Instructional Strategies of Teachers, Reading Proficiency and Reading Motivation of Grade 7 students. Dazal Cindy U. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Social Media Vernacular and Literacy Skills of Students. Hernandez Gloria S. Ragay, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Contextualized Language Instruction, a Practical Teaching Guide for Grade 7. Olanyo Ruby Christine H. Gainza, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Challenges in Purposive Communication and Macro Skills of Students, Excellence in Oral Defense. Padiser Lovelyn M. Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Spoken Word Poetry, Event of Filipino Inner Voices. Panis Roslyn M. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Grade Level and Reading Comprehension of Grade 12 Students, Excellence in Oral Defense. Paragua, Jean-Marie V. Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Thesis, English Literacy Level and Academic Achievement of Grade 7 Students. Reynales, Donna Claire C. Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Challenges of Gender-Responsive Pedagogy Practices of Teachers, Excellence in Oral Defense. Robrigado Joven C. Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Gulayan sa Paaralan and Support of Local Government Unit on its Implementation. Sanchez Ariel C. Calawag, Naga City. Thesis, Language Barriers in Reading Comprehension of Students. Villar Irene C. Garchitorena, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Phonemic Busy Book and Letter Sound Correspondence Skill of Kindergarten. Master of Arts in Education, major in Filipino. Israel Lourdes S. Goa, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Estratehiya ng mga guro at kakayahang panggramatika ng mga mag-aaral sa Filipino 10. Molina Cyril T. Pili, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Paggamit ng sanayang papel sa kasanayan sa wikang pambansa ng mga mag-aaral sa asignaturang komunikasyon at pananaliksik sa wika at kulturang Pilipino. Talio Charmaine R. Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thesis, kabisaan ng module sa antas ng kasanayan ng mga mag-aaral sa gramatikang Pilipino. Excellence in Oral Defense. Master in Public Administration. Ayaw Edgardo A. Gainsa, Camarines Sur. Capstone, Optimizing Pressure Management Strategies for Sustainable Reduction of Non-Revenue Water. Excellence in Oral Defense. Camacho, Yunel, Ian G. Siruma, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management Efficiency. Maria Anneli L. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Concept paper. Workforce productivity and administrative efficiency of employees and selected stakeholders in the National Irrigation Administration. Excellence in Oral Defense. Naive Marco B. Balatas, Naga City. Thesis, Disaster Emergency Management and Preparedness of Naga City. Excellence in Oral Defense. Romero Limuel H. Bagumbayan Norte, Naga City. Thesis, Challenges in the Implementation of Katarungang Pambarangay Law. Excellence in Oral Defense. Salcedo Edward Louis D. Calawag, Naga City. Thesis, Coaching Style Preferences and Attitude of Student Athletes. Tabinas John Oliver I. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Local Governance and Autonomy and Addressing Gender-Based Violence. Excellence in Oral Defense. Teodonis Maribel P. Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Thesis, Genetic Surveying Skills, Mapping Techniques, and Agricultural Land Tenure. Masters of Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management. Bares Alfie S. Daet, Camarines Norte. Capstone, digital service delivery of Camarines Norte State College, and evaluation of readiness and implementation barriers, excellence in oral defense. Hernandez Antoinette Faith N., Cararaya, Naga City. Thesis: attributes of teachers and academic performance of students. Siscar Marlon B., Calawag, Naga City. Capstone: factors and challenges affecting budget utilization of small enterprises in Naga City.
We shall now transition to the formal imposition of class medallions and caps upon the candidates for graduation from the undergraduate studies.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Computer Studies, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Arts and Sciences, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Health Sciences, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Business and Management, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
Candidates for graduation from the College of Teacher Education, please rise. You may now impose the class medallions and caps upon yourselves. Thank you.
You may now take your seats. We now come to the presentation of Special Academic Awards, recognizing exceptional performance in research, practicum, and internship. We begin with the Excellence in Oral Defense, given to the candidates whose scholarly research demonstrates exemplary methodology, critical inquiry, and outstanding defense before the academic panel.
Melissa B. Angeles, Excellence in Oral Defense. Marinel R. Bagasala, Excellence in Oral Defense. Loyalty Award, Silver Medal. Jomar G. Navarro, Excellence in Oral Defense. Maria Salve F. Almeden, Excellence in Oral Defense. JB Franshaw, Excellence in Oral Defense. JC E. Vergara, Excellence in Oral Defense. Mark Dennis O. Bombales, Excellence in Oral Defense. Mylan G. Bustamante, Excellence in Oral Defense. Mario B. Cagitla Jr., Excellence in Oral Defense. Eunice V. Oliva, Excellence in Oral Defense. Ian Fe S. Tipay, Excellence in Oral Defense. Vernon B. Romanilios, Excellence in Oral Defense. Maria Elena A. Bihino, Excellence in Oral Defense. Ruby Christine H. Olaño, Excellence in Oral Defense. Roslyn M. Panis, Excellence in Oral Defense. Donna Claire C. Reynales, Excellence in Oral Defense. Charlene R. Talio, Excellence in Oral Defense. Edgardo A. Ayao, Excellence in Oral Defense. Maria Annalie L. Linus, Excellence in Oral Defense. Marco P. Naive, Excellence in Oral Defense. Lemuel H. Romero, Excellence in Oral Defense. John Oliver I. Tabinas, Excellence in Oral Defense. Alfie S. Barres, Excellence in Oral Defense.
We now present the Excellence in Practicum Award, conferred upon the candidates who have demonstrated outstanding professional competence, leadership, and exemplary performance during their industry internship and field practice.
From the College of Teacher Education, Lizelle B. de la Cruz, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Nicole Rose G. Domingo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Elaine Yisha C. Baliar, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Rosemary M. Israel, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Princess Angel D. Mania, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Hazel Veronica I. Panolino, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Geraldine B. Ramirez, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Eduardo T. Revilla Jr., Excellence in Teaching Internship. Kyla V. San Juan, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Catherine Shana S. Santa Ana, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Crisel J. Supenia, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Chelsea B. Aldave, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Saina Pearl A. Baduya, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Claire May B. Brazal, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Blessy Grace V. Biamos, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Marian Gail R. Gonzalez, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Jillian D. Malaluan, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Robin John P. Pangilinan, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Maria Arabella Rizal, Excellence in Teaching Internship. May Kyla Sigaringa, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Madam E. Cabrera, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Fiona L. Kidor, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Nickerson Anthony M. Sales, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Eloisa A. San Juan, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Hannah May A. Villarreal, Excellence in Teaching Internship. 𝗓𝗓𝗡𝗂 Excellence in Teaching Internship. Jerome A. Bolo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Renz Drazel B. De La Rosa, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Cherry Ann L. Grenia, Excellence in Teaching Internship. John Paul R. Lusterio, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Krisha May C. Miranda, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Rose Ann C. Napile, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Hazel Ann Ori Buchaco, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Maria Clarice P. San Jose, Excellence in Teaching Internship. James I. Bahamondi, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Apple Sheena B. Belmonte, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Dayan L. Dasalia, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Ralph Nino T. De Luna, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Anthony Esteve, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Janelyn A. Galvez, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Kenneth Carl V. Gomez, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Francis Raymond M. Logok, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Sheila May M. Marco, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Sandraline Marie V. Mariano, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Ryan Mark C. Oco, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Rosario Bianca B. Pado, Excellence in Teaching Internship. Pauline H. Romero, Excellence in Teaching Internship. And Giselle S. Tomo, Excellence in Teaching Internship. The special awardees from the College of Business and Management. Arwin M. Alano Jr., Excellence in Practicum. Mark Anthony M. Assis, Excellence in Practicum. Joseph S. Balyabar, Excellence in Practicum. Rodelyn R. Bejones, Excellence in Practicum. Vina Marie de Guzman Bermudo, Excellence in Practicum. Alan Chris T. Bolocon, Excellence in Practicum. Gisela May S. Bongol, Excellence in Practicum. Lavinia Marie B. Besmonte, Excellence in Practicum. Mary Louise O. Estepona, Excellence in Practicum. Joey A. Hernandez, Excellence in Practicum. Mildred S. Marine, Excellence in Practicum. Desiree C. Matos, Excellence in Practicum. Kizzy T. Sambahon, Excellence in Practicum. Tony D. Tukay, Excellence in Practicum. Liza Villegas, Excellence in Practicum. Rosette B. Anastasio, Excellence in Practicum. Loyalty Award, Silver Medal. Elizabeth R. Burrito, Excellence in Practicum. Farah Beatriz R. Gorom, Excellence in Practicum. Angelibeth P. Nopia, Excellence in Practicum. Rodrigo G. Ariel Jr., Excellence in Practicum. Sarah May P. Castelar, Excellence in Practicum. Blessime O. Danuro, Excellence in Practicum. Princess Joy S. Frongoso, Excellence in Practicum. Jacqueline De La Roca Manalo, Excellence in Practicum. Divine Hannah Rose B. Peñales, Excellence in Practicum. And Nika Marie B. Ballester, Excellence in Business Implementation. The Special Academic Awardees from the College of Arts and Sciences. Chris Oliver R. Ardenazo, Excellence in Practicum. Honey Ivy P. Baraga, Excellence in Practicum. Karen May O. Celso, Excellence in Practicum. Lovely B. De Jesus, Excellence in Practicum. Jerlene V. Felices, Excellence in Practicum. Juliet C. Maniago, Excellence in Practicum. Hans Tyrone N. Manaloto, Excellence in Practicum. Justine B. Mapa, Excellence in Practicum. Romel Iro B. Moral, Excellence in Practicum. Jedi Giselle A. Nocario, Excellence in Practicum. Princess A. Panida, Excellence in Practicum. Lenil G. Rombano, Excellence in Practicum. Francisco S. Verdero Jr., Excellence in Practicum. Maury Z. S. Alcaraz, Excellence in Practicum. Kristen Joy Boral, Excellence in Practicum. Janet H. Pasion, Excellence in Practicum. Gwen Cheska A. Salvadora, Excellence in Practicum. Darex N. Tomo, Excellence in Practicum. Wayne T. Amaro, Excellence in Practicum. 𝗑𝗱𝗂𝗃𝗀𝐶𝑠o, Excellence in Practicum. Mary Ardel P. Lumbang, Excellence in Practicum. Thalia P. Osilios, Excellence in Practicum. J.P. Panimdim, Excellence in Practicum. Kevin D. Pantoja, Excellence in Practicum. Kian L. Patricio, Excellence in Practicum. Feveline B. Resuena, Excellence in Practicum. Vanessa Rose B. Rivera, Excellence in Practicum. And Rolf Jean L. Ibanez, Excellence in Practicum. The Special Academic Awardees from the College of Computer Studies. Leona May S. Guerrero, Excellence in Practicum. Wendy G. Liabres, Excellence in Practicum. Marjorie C. Noga, Excellence in Practicum. Daryl Ken B. Salamanque, Excellence in Practicum. Dexter V. Alayan, Excellence in Practicum. Billy T. Alcayaga, Excellence in Practicum. Oriel Jr. T. Alde, Excellence in Practicum. Jezreel P. Amorganda, Excellence in Practicum. Ivan Z. Badong, Excellence in Practicum. Divina Gracia B. Balana, Excellence in Practicum. Leonil Raven N. Bathan, Excellence in Practicum. Adrian Joel O. Buncodin, Excellence in Practicum. Dana Corrine Bramall, Excellence in Practicum. EJ.C. Candano, Excellence in Practicum. Romnick L. Claveron, Excellence in Practicum. Kylie Joyce P. Clemente, Excellence in Practicum. Aaron John P. Climacosa, Excellence in Practicum. Canis C. Corralde, Excellence in Practicum. Bea Crizel M. de Guzman, Excellence in Practicum. Maria Ana V. de la Cruz, Excellence in Practicum. Justin Mark P. de los Santos, Excellence in Practicum. Wayne S. de los Santos, Excellence in Practicum. April Joy D. Floor, Excellence in Practicum. Carlo John B. Gabing, Excellence in Practicum. Mark Anthony P. Hebres, Excellence in Practicum. Kyla Joy N. Labay, Excellence in Practicum. Nino Nestor P. Lanuza, Excellence in Practicum. Gino D. Legarto, Excellence in Practicum. John Carlo G. Liboon, Excellence in Practicum. Oscar Jomer R. Liabres, Excellence in Practicum. Cedric O. Mendaro, Excellence in Practicum. Mark Angelo M. Notado, Excellence in Practicum. Mark Leonel L. Pardinas, Excellence in Practicum. Brixon M. Romero, Excellence in Practicum. Jed Nico M. San Agustin, Excellence in Practicum. Jeff Andrew G. Saniel, Excellence in Practicum. Nan Fritzy P. Santiago, Excellence in Practicum. Joshua Z. Cebulo, Excellence in Practicum. Irish Joy D. Traquenia, Excellence in Practicum. JV Ken H. Beliote, Excellence in Practicum. Jericho D. Zaleta, Excellence in Practicum. Arvin J. F. Agna, Excellence in Practicum. Gabriel M. Año Nuevo, Excellence in Practicum. Serimar R. Arroyo, Excellence in Practicum. Edglen P. Babar, Excellence in Practicum. Jethan Benedict M. Barcenas, Excellence in Practicum. John Christian O. Benavides, Excellence in Practicum. 𝗓𝗡𝐵 Excellence in Practicum. Micaela Z. Carranza, Excellence in Practicum. Ethan Ezekiel V. Decano, Excellence in Practicum. Jeeper B. Diligan, Excellence in Practicum. Wendell D. Diaz, Excellence in Practicum. Renaline R. Imperial, Excellence in Practicum. Hazel E. Jasalba, Excellence in Practicum. Delior Amor El Llamado, Excellence in Practicum. J. Kervin J. Mirando, Excellence in Practicum. Julius L. Bedimonte, Excellence in Practicum. Blessy Lane O. Princesa, Excellence in Practicum. Christian R. Rojano, Excellence in Practicum. Person Anthony P. San Agustin, Excellence in Practicum. Micaiah Philip M. San Miguel, Excellence in Practicum. Loyalty Award, Silver Medal. Marinel F. Sevilla, Excellence in Practicum. Ray Vane de la Cruz Torres, Excellence in Practicum. Frank Jensen P. Tatanez, Excellence in Practicum. And Aaron Joshua V. Unica, Excellence in Practicum. The Loyalty Awardees from the College of Teacher Education. Charles del Castillo Belen, Silver Medal. Bianca Yvonne Santa Maria Membrano, Silver Medal. And Janelle Lynn Dinazol, Silver Medal. The Loyalty Awardees from the College of Health Sciences. Lilette Arevalo, Silver Medal. Reika Nicole O. Kalunggi, Silver Medal. And Katrina C. Eliana, Silver Medal. The Loyalty Awardee from the College of Business and Management. Jerick Ryan V. Dialogo.
You may now take your seats.
Once again, the Loyalty Awardee from the College of Business and Management, Jerick Ryan V. Dialogo, Silver Medal.
This concludes the formal proceedings of the investiture and recognition rites for the class of 2026. To our honorees, may the awards, academic hoods, and caps you received today serve not just as symbols of your hard work, but as a solemn charge to carry the values of this institution into the professional world. As you stand on the cusp of your official commencement, remember that your achievements today have laid the bedrock for the breakthroughs of tomorrow. Go forth with integrity, excellence, and a relentless commitment to service. Congratulations! Let us all rise for the singing of the NCF hymn. You may now take your seats. To encapsulate this historic milestone, we shall now commence the official group photography session by college. Please ascend the stage quickly and orderly as your college and group numbers are called.